Hello, my name is Jimena Gómez de la Flor from the European Flavour Association, EFA, and I'll be animating a workshop on the European Association Summit about engaging events. We are all surrounded by events, we're overwhelmed sometimes in Brussels, so what will make yours stand out from all the others and make it something that everyone will remember even afterwards? This is what we will going to be discussing, so please join us. We will be the 8th and 9th of March in Brussels at the European Association Summit.